Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how you can mute a call in your Instagram group chat. Sometimes group chats can get really annoying when people keep calling, especially when you're busy at a particular time, and it can get pretty frustrating. So, to stop that from happening, you can simply mute the calls from that group. To do that, just open the specific group chat, and once you're there, tap on the group's profile at the top. Here you'll see an option called Mute Calls. Simply tap on it, and it will mute all calls from that group. That's all for this video! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day!